So as Bhuppi said, I will summarize his words in few
Please
lines.
loudly, loudly.
As Bhuppi said his thoughts about his girlfriend, I will summarize his thoughts in very short forms. So first of all, you said you like girlfriends, but you don't have money. So you like that kind of mindset that you have money to have girlfriend. Like
Yeah.
you first priority is money,
Yeah.
not girlfriend. Your
No.
first priority is obviously money, and people should have their first priority as money rather than girlfriends. And your thought is very strict. How should we? चलो छोड़ो.
Yes, sir, sir.
ठीक है. फ्लो बिगड़ जाता है यार बीच में साला वो एक वर्ड्स की वजह से.
कोई दिक्कत
चलो ठीक. So as you said, first thing is money. Then you have summarized the quality of girlfriend as first is loyalty. Am I right?
Yeah.
Then it's looks
Looks,
and
respect.
respect for others, kindness.
Yeah.
And these are the four things
And
that you
so-
admire so much. So, what's my take on it? Well, these four things are good, but my take is I don't into this stuff of girlfriends. This friend of mine is saying that at age of 21 at least you should have one girlfriend,
Mhm.
and that is really necessary. I
Just
admire
please
your,
loudly. Loudly.
I admire your courage and your thoughts that you should have girlfriend, but as Bhakti said, money is the first thing comes in my mind too. But people change, so do I. Why not go for 200 rupees rather than a long distance relationship?
बिकॉज है ना माय ओपिनियन है जो मतलब आई हैव गर्लफ्रेंड उससे मतलब ग्रो होगा माय कॉन्फिडेंट लेवल एंड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल एंड one people to another people to talk to her and
You are not going to
बोलते उसको behave and behavior and or etc.
I want to say something, as you say. You are not going on reality. What is the exact of girlfriend? Okay, you are not going on reality. You are thinking about if I have girlfriend, I will communicate to each other, and I will share everything to each other. That is good thing. You will communicate to as your best friend on girls. Okay, that is good thing. But money is first priority in your life for you, for your parents, for everywhere. Okay. So, as you say, that is not good thing as I think. Okay, and you can also talk to your friend. Okay, anything you want to add? And you?
My thoughts on girlfriend that I already said. Let's move on to our next topic. I should say.
So, what the plan for
Well,
after 5 years? And I mean, ki, what you want to achieve, and what are the things you will achieve in after 5 years, and what the goal?
well, for me, the goals are something that is not for me. I think because I never follow any goals and any passion because I died. My passion died, so I died.
You're not. I think you're not able to talk this topic. So I want to ask to you, if you are rich,
Then what?
I mean, if you have lots of money,
Hmm,
then
how would you spend it?
how will you spend it? I
If
mean, if you have 1 CR in your bank account,
yeah,
okay, that is big amount
very big.
for us. So what the all things you will do?
First of all, it is most likely to don't have going. It is most likely to not going to that I have 1 CR. That is, I think. First of all, we
But-
should do reality checks, and this is the one reality check that I should
No,
always keep
I
in
don't
mind.
I don't talk about the reality. Just imagine you have one share in your bank account. So
How you gonna spend it? I think I will invest it on stocks first of
Stocks.
all. Yeah.
thank you. Very
And
good
then
answer.
I will-
And if you will invest your all money, so how to do everything? So how much money you will invest and what are the things you will do? If you have one share bank account, money in your bank account, what are the things you will do?
First of all, I will marry to a very smart person that can manage that money and very trustworthy.
Okay.
And then I will
Hello.
turn my brain off and she
Huh.
will do whatever she wants with that money. You know.
your answer is very small,
Yeah.
but okay. Don't. And next is what are the things you will purchase?
Okay. What kind of things I would like to purchase? If I have 1 CR, actually I don't have a vision to buy something because
That is
My
not good
perspective
thing,
is-
Nishant bhaiya. That is not good thing. You should have to everything.
my perspective is that happiness is an illusion for everything. Like, people who have money,
as
they
I
are
be-
not happy.
as I say before sometime, money is a element.
Money is an element, but I think for me it is an element, but how can I say, I'm more
You can buy happiness
with money. Yeah, you're right. मेरे विचार थोड़े पुराने जमाने के हैं.
What is your thinking about the money? And if you have one share in your bank account, what are the things you will purchase and how you will invest and where?
I am investing in business.
Which type of business you will invest? And you
I
will-
like to mall and swimming pool and like electrical bike showroom.
You will open.
I will open and
Okay, that's it.
okay, that's
Okay. So next, and I will say about this topic. So if I have one share in my bank account,
Yeah.
so I will not invest all money in trading or share market, but I will invest some money for future. Future around
Future plans.
around 50% money I will invest, and 50 lakh. If you are, I want to say something related to finance. First is if you have 100 rupees in your bank account, after 1 year, the money will have 96 rupees only. I mean, उतने दिनों बाद उसका मतलब कीमत केवल
The value
96
get
रुपए होगी.
decreased.
हाँ, एक साल. So if you will invest on any share market, that is good thing. But other thing, you can open your own business, own companies. But I will also purchase a car. Around the value of the car will have around 15 to 20 lakh rupees. That is.
I have a question for you.
Hmm.
After 5 years, you have no money, not a job. So what can you do? You have any idea?
Okay, that is good question for us.
Yes.
So, if I don't have anything, I don't have money,
Just like
I don't have job. So if I will depressed at that time,
yeah.
so as you know, my family business is for me. Okay.
Okay.
And I have also one skill, that is computer science. So I can make a software. Okay. and I have those type of friends, like one friend is going on trading, one friends are going on our this way bar,
Yeah.
as you know,
Event
all
management. Yeah.
management. So I have these type of friends, so I think I will never go on wrong direction. I will learn everything through our friends, through our college students. Okay. So I will focus on our skill. Then I will apply that skill on our business as well as for job. If I will not succeed in anything, then I will go on farming. That is family business. That's it.
And you have you have bank balance 1 CR. So what you can?
Okay. If I have 1 CR in my bank account, as I before say, I will invest 50% in share market, and around 40% invest on business. Other money I will give on my parents for their life, for their living life. Okay. You want to say something?
Yeah, I want to retaliate my previous answer, and I want to say something. I want to add something.
Okay.
Previously, I said I don't have any idea in perspective on money. As I said, I take this back, and I think I should do something with it. As I think more, there are more questions are for me. But the thing is, the only thing I want to do is follow my passion. I would invest that money on my passion, on my skills, and then I will get something from out of
What
it.
the fashion you have right now? Which type of fashion you have? I mean,
Passion.
fashion. Why I like fashion.
Passion is obviously I never continued my
I
passion.
I am saying you don't have any passion right now.
Yeah, I don't have.
That is not good thing, yeah. That is you
have
should
no passion.
where you want to go. They are doing they was doing ITI. IIT.
No,
IIT.
my passion was singing.
Okay.
And I wanted to get a guitarist. I wanted to become a guitarist, but my situations are formed this way, is like too separate and too far away to reach that goal. So I eventually don't eventually forget about my passion and just come here where life goes, like just follow the roads wherever it goes.
Break the rule. Okay.
Break the passion.
Okay, my third topic is learning things. In this situation you are going. So what are the things you will learn at that situation nowadays?
Okay, nowadays I have learned so much things.
Which type of
First of
things?
is like I'm now more bold in conversation. First I was very shy at conversation and talking to new people, but I welcome new people often now.
I'm also.
So, and the thing I learned from my line is the thing I learned from my job is to fight with people, to fight with courage,
Okay.
and give it all. Just fight. When you're right, don't see the position of your upperclassmen. Just fight for your values.
That's it.
That's it.
And you also give me some suggestion for this topic.
I have no understand learning things.
You're not
Basically,
you're not
brain is-
learning anything in your BTech career.
नहीं मैं learning things का मतलब नहीं समझ पा रहा.
क्या सीख रहे हो अभी? मतलब कि
चलिए.
हाँ.
I have learned web development in one more than language as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, React.js, and React.js, and DSA, and communication skills, and etc, and that's it.
Okay, so now my turn. I will say about this topic. So, as you know, we are going our financial things. So, we are learning for these things that fundamentals of trading and it is serious क्यों यार? Just listen ना.
कानून सुनते हैं, आंखों सुनते
आप तो देखते हो
आई कांटेक्ट करो ना.
हैं. एक आंख इधर है ना.
And as ये भाई साहब जैसे, so I am also learning development, but and as well as I learning DSA, but DSA go on my outside of mind, out on my mind.
why you are not focused on the DSC?
I am focusing. You know, every day I am solving 2 or 3 questions through the YouTube, and I am watch the videos of DSA. But I like DSA, but DSA don't like me. That is.
You like DSA, but DSA doesn't like you.
You
So
saying-
how is it possible?
You saying mast joke.
And-
एकदम तड़का वाला.
So, and I'm learning financial things, how to go at when you don't have any money, how to live at that time, and all.
That time.
Then
Very-
these things I learning, okay, and when I have some situation I'm giving you. At that time I was nothing. I was no money. I was I was nothing.
no
that
money means
मैं पैसा नहीं था.
हाँ वो तो नहीं था लेकिन
I
कब आ
had
गया
no
था
money.
तेरे पास पैसे?
Okay.
I had no money. Yes,
I
had no money. I had no money.
So at that time I had no money. So I was eat at that time just chapati and really
I was eating chapati that time.
just feel at the situation. Don't go on my English language. Just feel it. What I am talking. Okay.
Yes,
And don't laugh. Okay.
I'm not laughing.
Okay. So at that time I eating chapati and salt.
Chapati and salt.
Yes. So
In
as
our rooms. Seriously.
Okay.
And you also your connection and was no with me.
Okay.
So these things I learning, and also at trading I love trading, and as well as in बार वाली चीजें मैं थोड़ी सीखा हूँ इस सिचुएशन में. And fourth is friend. What you think about the friends?
the definition of friendship, it doesn't goes like that. Friends की कोई definition नहीं होती.
You are absolutely right.
Just to say something about the friends. If you have the
Something-
power.
Friends is something that we can choose. It is the best thing. Friends is something we can choose. Like we are not born with someone that we know before. That we are born unexpectedly.
Yeah.
So we don't know our parents, how they are, how they will treat us. But we grow and we make some friends. And friends are something that we trust, that we know. We can talk everything freely with them. Our darkest secrets, our very dear regrets about our plans, about our feelings, and they are very good in other countries like America, people are much likely isolated and they don't have a bigger circle. That's why they are depressed, some of them. But in India, men are also depressed. I was also depressed very much. I don't have any friend. I didn't have any friend at that time. I was really locked in my room for several months, even years. In lockdown, my condition were not good. I was literally a psychopathic kid with no emotions, nothing. That's why my personality is like this. Very shady personality. But I met you guys and Ankit at school, and Ankit was my really good friend. And now that friendship that we formed in school has now matured in this thing, and and we are now, and we are at this place right now with Ankit and his bestie you, and with also you, bro.
Okay, thank you.
You want to add something?
जो फ्रेंड होते हैं, some friends are reach मतलब reached good path, समझ लेना. And some friends is
I will
bad
not
path.
focus on your grammaring, but just you have to speak in his language. And okay,
Some bad path.
Some pick bad path, some pick good path.
Some pick good path, some pick bad path. So like us, my friend is Samji. Is my help in new learn and how to behave another, and how to learn study, and or more than one friend, more friends. My village is जिस- जैसे कि मुझे वो सिगरेट पिलाने लग गई, रासरी खिलाने लग गई.
अच्छा, your friends are forcing you to go to
हाँ,
a bad side.
to bad side, जैसे कि cigarette, as like cigarette, रासरी and drinking. इसलिए whatever. But my opinion is कि friends are very important in life. That's it. And you? What you
What
guys?
are your
you are cover everything, so I don't need to say.
No, like add your touch, bro. Add something.
You want to add on this topic?
Something dearest to you about the friend and say something.
I will say about friends, so don't laugh away.
No.
Before some time, I was think that friend is everything. You can say everything to your friends. I know friend is everything. After some time, I realized that friend is everything. That is okay, but
He is also my friend.
तुम्हें क्या बोल रहे थे
Yes.
पता है?
very
My छपरी friend is अंकित पटेल.
As you can see,
सॉरी यार, बोल किसी बात का मेरे फोन में जैसे बात करी.
no we
सर
don't.
आपकी साइड है क्या?
Yeah,
आप तो निकाल लेना, डिक्की में है.
वे निकाल ले. और ये
okay. My final point is what all things you are learning. I mean, as your English grammar, as your communication skill, as your body language. What are the things you have? So if I want to learn that things, so how to our self growth, grow ourselves for that things.
In that take, first of all, your idea is very good, but I don't have any idea to execute this idea.
So I think your English is good.
My English is good. I would not say that. My English is just good enough, just good enough,
So,
just good
if
enough.
I want to learn, I want to go as you. So how it is possible? So if it is possible, so how?
Engage with more frequent English conversation. It will work for you, and that is watch some natives.
Like
Natives means the other country peoples, how they communicate with others. Like for my recommendation, the best TV show for communication skill on English is Friends.
okay.
I have never watched it, fun fact, but I have seen people who watch it and learn from it.
Okay. That
Who is make a food today? Is a burning rice? Is a burning vegetable?
And
Is is a burning? All is burning. I had tasted one roti and this your gravy. Okay, so very bad, very because
I understand, but all
I really admire this man. This have the
Okay.
balls of steel that I don't have. I have balls, but he have bigger balls than me.
Okay. And you want to say
ah,
about this?
how to grow our
I mean,
skill.
what are the things you are learning?
My opinion is
If you are a good web developer in your career,
okay.
so if I want to learn web developing, so what the steps I should to follow and how to learn very small time, in a very small time. And
Just to
as you, I think even
development-
communication is good.
Web development is not easy or not hard. It is understand how to you have should start off basically C and C plus first of all, my opinion. And now step number 1 HTML and minimum to minimum 3 to 4 days and then CSS minimum to 10 to 15 days and then JavaScript and then backend.
And I think your communication is something good comparison to me. Your eye
I
contact.
mean,
My क्या बोल रहा था ये सोल्यूशन तो ये जवाब दे.
okay, so you got
These
the right
things you
idea.
have. I don't have. So you
Okay,
have to
yes.
give this talk.
Watch here.
Yeah.
You got a keen eye of observation. You can see through him. Your idea is good that his English is better than you. It is not about the English. It is about his accent, and that's what I'm saying to you. Watch natives. You can see their. Watch it with subtitle. You can see the subtitle and their words. You know, the subtitle is something else, and there's something else. So there's a
I want to say, yeah, your thing is good. I'm not talking about the English. I'm talking about just communication, what body language, eye contact,
Yes,
and
yes,
these
yes.
things,
Yes.
addressing sense as well as
yes.
yeah.
You have a keen eye. That's why I said you have a very keen eye about observation of someone else's communication skills and their personality.
That's it.
That's it. Video close.
No. So we are ending this session. Today
I
was
will
three
make
months.
a
Wait.
cocktail.
Wait. आओ भाई आजा दिल्ली
Hello
छोड़े
दोस्तों, and this
आग
season
की मटकी
and now part.
कोई
Party with the bhoot.
ये क्या कर रहा है अंकित
Relax,
I
man.
will make gin cocktail or taste it everyone.
No, never.
So first of all,
Never.
is it alcoholic or not?
It is alcoholic. Bombay Sapphire. You are search in Google and price is 4,000 rupees. This is 30 ml. Restaurant price this cocktail 500. And
30 ml 500.
okay, so you and search in cocktail with lemon.
तेरे अंदर इंग्लिश
Mint.
नहीं आ रही क्यों?
लेमनेड जिन कॉकटेल जिन
नहीं अच्छी आती है तेरी।
ठीक है हो गया ओके
मेरे पे
सो आई विल मेक सुन सुन सुन
उधर देख तू
अब इसको बना इसको अब मेरे को मत ले अबे ऐसे ना ऐसे नहीं हो पाएगा ठीक है इट इज जिन ठीक है ये अपना शुगर सिरप जा रहा है थोड़ा सा टेस्ट कर लेते हैं इसको क्या है कितना मीठा है बहुत मीठा बना दिया इसने
मैं वीडियो
फिर अपन थोड़ा सा ऐड करेंगे इसमें
मैं घर कुछ नहीं जानता